Hello guys, today we are studying the maths exercise 3.6 HCF question. My name is Dhairya Jondale. We are studying HCF. First question. First, we have to do 18 prime factorization. Hello guys, today we are studying the maths exercise 3.6 HCF. First sum. First, we have to do 18 and 48 prime factorization. Two 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 1, 3 1s are 3. Then we have to do 48 prime factorization. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, and then 3 1s are 1. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Then 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 to 2 into 3. Then common factor is equal to 2 and 3. Then we have to multiply the common factor. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then HCF is equal to 6. The first sum answer is 6. Then second sum, B, 30 and 42. First we have to do 30 prime factorization. 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15, and then 5 1s are 5. Then 42 prime factorization. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, and then 7 1s are 7. 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Then 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Then we have to find out the common factor. The common factor is equal to 2 and 3. Then we have to multiply the common factor. The 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then HCF is equal to 6. The second sum answer is 6. Then we do third sum. Third is 18 and 60. Then we have to first find out the prime factor. Then 18 is equal to 2 9s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 1. Then we have to find out 60 prime factorization. 2 30s are 60. Then 2 15s are. Then 3 5s are. Then 5 1s are. Then we have to first write their prime factors. 2 into 3. Then 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then first we have to find out the common factor. The common factor is 2 and 3. Then we have to multiply the common factor. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then our HCF is 6. Then the third sum answer is 6. Then our today's book is G to J sum. Okay, bye. Thank you.